I'm Nick Moore. If you find that you need a 4K60 444 matrix switcher with 4 inputs and 2 outputs, then the VS42H2 is the product for you. The VS42H2 can be controlled remotely and manually and is also an auto switcher. The controls on the front of the VS42H2 are straightforward. There are 2 rows of input buttons, one for each output. There are 2 mute buttons, again one for each output. The EDID button is used in the process of copying the EDIDs from the output to the input of the VS42H2, and the lock button can be used to prevent accidental pressing of the buttons. In addition, there is an infrared sensor on the front panel that is used for controlling the device. Looking at the back of the unit, we can see the 4 HDMI 2.0 inputs. Above them is the port where the Kramer IR extender kit can be attached for remote IR. We can see contact closures for remote control operation of each of the 2 outputs, and an RS232 port, again for control. Next to the RS232 port are the dip switches, which control the HDCP compliancy of the inputs and also determine whether the switcher operates in manual mode, automatic, and if it's in automatic mode, whether it's in last connected or priority mode. Next, we have a USB port for programming the device, a button that determines whether the RS232 port is used for programming the VS42H2 or for controlling it. By default, the button is off, which means that the RS232 port is used for controlling the VS42H2. The Ethernet port through which you can access the built-in web pages, the 2 HDMI 2.0 outputs, and the 5V DC input. For more information on Kramer's extensive range of matrix switches, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.